Hey everyone, my name is Vicki. I'm one of the co-owners of Mini Mott and Mott Street, and we do have Mini Mott at Time Out Market. Today I'm going to make a very simple pantry tuna salad. It should be all the things that you already have, and you can make easy substitutions. First off, we have olive oil, hot sauce, Frank's is my favorite, and tuna. And also every pantry staple, a lemon. I have a previously cut lemon, that's all I have. Also, if you have it, everyone's favorite, the everything bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. So, first, we're gonna take the bag of tuna. I got this from the local dill pickle. I'm gonna You can get canned tuna, or you can get it in a pouch. Either way, all good. Comes like this. Now we're going to add about a tablespoon and a half to 2 of good olive oil. Then we're going to simply flake the tuna and make sure that it gets incorporated with the olive oil. You want all those good healthy fats integrated. And flake the tuna while you're at it. Sometimes the tuna can be olive oil packed, or it might be water packed. So depending on, it might already be moist. So you want to get it to about this consistency. I like my tuna salad a little more juicy, if you will. So I added a little more olive oil. So I added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil for this guy. And what was in my pouch is about the same that would be in a can of tuna as well. Then I'm going to take your favorite hot sauce. Like I said, I love Frank's. And then we're going to do a little, I would say you're going to want to do about 2 to 3 teaspoons worth, depending how hot you like it. It's not necessarily for the heat element as much as it is for acidity. So this brings a really nice acidity from the vinegar in the hot sauce. So a lot of flavor in here. Now, for some nice punch, I'm going to add some lemon zest. So I hope you have a trusty micrograter, one of my favorite kitchen tools. A trick, instead of, you can do it like this, or you can just grate it first and then get all the goodies off right there. So take that flaked lemon. You also want to macerate it into here. I'm also going to squeeze some lemon juice for good measure. Now you could be finished, but if you have any fresh herbs, I would chop it into here, or again, I have this special sprinkling seasoning from Trader Joe's. You can toss it in here. It's extra flavor bomb. I put about a teaspoon worth. You can add more if you like. Again, I super like hot sauce, so I added a decent amount of hot sauce into here. There we go. And you can eat it however you like. I am going to make a basic salad with this. So, I have some cut radicchio and asparagus that I previously chopped up. Just gonna add it to my salad here. This is perfect. So haven't had lunch yet. Just cutting some asparagus. And then I have also some broccoli that I previously blanched. I'm going to take a couple florets out. Also pile it in there. And then I have a previously soft-boiled egg. I'm gonna roll it out. Peel this puppy. I like to make my soft boil at actually 7 minutes while the water is boiling. Then I plop the egg in there, and after 7 minutes I take the egg out and I put in an ice cold bath, and that keeps the boiled egg from cooking. And that way in the center it should have a nice custardy middle like that. Yeah. So yeah, just gonna plop this in a bowl right here. Have a little pantry. And there you have it, a basic pantry bowl made with tuna from your pantry. Yes, especially with that custardy egg.